Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm RexFinance, and today we're talking about a brand new stock, a stock I've never talked about on my channel before, and I'm really excited about this company. As of today, we are over 7.7 thousand subscribers. The growth has been absolutely insane, and I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys for sharing my videos with your family and friends, as well as just watching the videos yourselves. Last week, I set a goal to hit 8,000 subscribers by the end of this current week, and I think we're going to hit that pretty easily, but just in case, for safety reasons, if you're new here or returning and not yet subscribed, if that subscribe button is not turned gray, change that and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any great content. Now, I will say about this company, this is only the third time I've ever had this feeling about a particular stock. I'm 19 years old. My current portfolio has over $40,000 in it. I grew that from about $8,000 of my own money that I invested. So I've seen really good return, and that's because I've had two other very good picks. And like I said, this is only the third time I've felt this feeling about a stock. So, can we go 3 out of 3? We're going to have to see. The first time I felt this feeling was with Workhorse at $2.84 a share. I picked up 1,500 shares, and that was really the start of my investing success, because today Workhorse is over $15 a share, so I've seen incredible return on that investment, and I really expect to see that investment continue to grow over time, especially if Workhorse gets the big contract that they are likely to get. The second time I had this feeling was just recently with CleanSpark. I bought CleanSpark at $4.63. I had the feeling that the stock was going to absolutely explode. And what do you know? Literally the day after I posted a video about CleanSpark, the stock price absolutely skyrocketed and has been going up ever since then. And honestly, guys, with CleanSpark, this is just the start, and CleanSpark has a long ways to go. And that investment is also going to continue to make me a lot of money. Like I said, I invested at $4.63 per share. I bought 2,000 shares. And today, CleanSpark is at $11 per share and climbing. So, those are the two times in the past in my short investing career that I've had the feeling that a stock was about to explode. Like I said, this is the third time I've had that feeling. And today, we're going to be talking about Landcadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA. But the company we're talking about isn't Landcadia. It's Golden Nugget Online Gaming, who is going to be merging with Landcadia via a SPAC merger. Throughout this video, I'm going to trust that you guys know what a SPAC merger is, but just in case there's a few of you out there that don't know what a SPAC is, I'll leave a link down in the description that explains what a SPAC is. Many of my viewers have commented to let them know when I find the next winner, when I feel like the next winner is about to pop, etc. And this is that stock, guys. This is the stock that's next up and that is going to explode in the coming months, in my opinion. So today we're going to be going over what Golden Nugget Online Gaming is, how much money they make and how they make that money, the industry growth projections, my bullish thesis around the company, as well as the bear case. But before we get started, if you guys want automatic buy and sell alerts when I buy or sell a stock, I've had great success. I already have 50 members a part of Rex Nation. Hit the join button down below. You'll get automatic buy and sell alerts like I just said, but you'll also get access to the members only Discord channel, as well as members only live streams every Saturday. And you'll also gain the ability to talk privately with me and have your questions answered by me. The insane growth I'm seeing on my channel has really stemmed my ability to reply to everybody adequately and answer everybody's questions, top to bottom. So Rex Nation is kind of my way of stemming the tide. So if you have any interest in joining Rex Nation, hit the join button down below and it'll give you more information. The last thing I have to say before we get into this video is that I am not a registered financial advisor. I invest on my own accord. I invest to make money just like all of you guys. But as always, do your own due diligence. I know watching YouTube videos on companies is a part of due diligence these days, but read the 10Qs, read the 10Ks, do your own research before you invest in this company. So what is Landcadia Holdings or Golden Nugget Online Gaming? Well, like I said, Landcadia Holdings is the blank check company that's going to be merging with Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Golden Nugget Online Gaming is a subsidiary of Golden Nugget Casinos. Only this subsidiary is going to be a part of the combined company, so it's important that you know that Golden Nugget's physical locations won't be a part of the merger in the company after the merger goes through. However, that's not to say that the physical locations won't bring profits and revenue to the online subsidiary of the company. So the online business is obviously focused on online gambling and sports betting. However, online gambling makes up 90 to 95% of their business plan right now. They are looking to expand more into the sports side, but there's several reasons why I believe being more focused on the iGaming or online gambling sector is an advantage. Golden Nugget has 5 physical locations. If we go to their website right here, we can see that they have a location at Lake Charles, a location in Las Vegas, a location at Atlantic City, a location at Biloxi, and a location at Laughlin. Tilman Fertitta is the CEO and current chairman of Golden Nugget. For those of you that do not know, Tilman Fertitta is the owner of the Houston Rockets, and if I want to invest alongside somebody, it's somebody that's already seen success. Tilman Fertitta already has a net worth in the billions of dollars. This guy knows what success is. He's clearly a visionary for the future, and it's just another bullish case for why I think that this company is going to explode over the future, because he has made billions and billions of dollars and he knows how the economy works. So if we go back to the current stock, Landcadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA, this will turn into GNOG, ticker symbol GNOG, or Golden Nugget Online Gaming, after the merger is complete. The merger is not set to be finalized until the end of quarter 3, which is the current quarter we're in, or the start of quarter 4. So this investment more than likely isn't an investment that's going to explode tomorrow or the next day. It's going to be a few weeks before we really start to see Landcadia rise, and then Golden Nugget Online Gaming rise after the merger is complete. So currently the merger is valuing Golden Nugget Online Gaming at a $500 million market cap. I see that as extremely undervalued when you consider how DraftKings stock has exploded and their market cap is $10 billion. So DraftKings market cap is 20 times that of Golden Nugget Online Gaming's. In addition to that, DraftKings is solely focused on sports betting. Golden Nugget Online Gaming has a portion in sports betting, but the primary business is in online casinos and wagering. Online casinos and wagering have far higher margins and profitability, as well as longer playtime, and users typically reinvest their winnings quicker and more often than that of sports betting services. So like I mentioned, DraftKings is valued at over $10 billion currently. And according to Robinhood, their market cap is actually nearing $12 billion. So that's far and away ahead of Golden Nugget Online Gaming's anticipated market cap after the merger. In addition to that, DraftKings is not even cash flow positive yet. Golden Nugget Online Gaming has been profitable since 2016, and their earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization is increasing drastically. They're seeing exponential revenue growth and profitability as the years go by. They already have almost 4 years of profitability under their belt, and on top of that, this disease and virus is only accelerating and helping their company. There aren't a whole lot of companies in sectors out there that can say, wow, this disease and virus has actually helped our company out and is making us more and more profitable. That's another reason I really like Golden Nugget Online Gaming and Landcadia Holdings. So you may be wondering, after I said they've been profitable for almost 4 years now, how much money have they actually made? Well, it's an emerging industry and market, so these numbers that I'm about to share with you are actually low compared to where they're going to be at in even a year from now. Through their New Jersey online gambling, Golden Nugget had over $29 million in revenue just from the online gambling. That number is insane when you consider that that's only one state, and the market cap, what they're valued at currently, is $500 million. And in one state out of 50 states in the United States, out of one state, they already have almost $30 million in revenue, which is a good portion of their market cap already. In addition to New Jersey, Golden Nugget has recently expanded to Michigan. Michigan was one of the most recent states to legalize online gambling. This is very bullish to me because Golden Nugget isn't sitting on their feet waiting for things to happen and come to them. They're going out and doing this. So Golden Nugget Online Gaming is already the industry leader in New Jersey, one of the only states that has legalized online gambling. So that really sets them and lets them be a leader for expansion in future states that are going to legalize this. In addition to that, their profit margins on their online gambling is almost 30%. That is ridiculous, and considering how much this industry is set to grow over the coming years, that's just insane numbers. The industry is set to see massive growth. It's set to be a $22 billion market, and Golden Nugget says themselves that they're well positioned to be at least 10% of that market. Now, I think that's ultra conservative, considering that they already are the leaders in New Jersey, and they're already expanding into Michigan. For those of you that are curious, Golden Nugget itself, the entire operation, not just Golden Nugget Online Gaming, had around $4 billion in revenue in 2019. So why is this an enticing investment to me? Right now I'm looking at the investor presentation that Golden Nugget provided to investors. I'll leave a link for this down in the description as well for you guys to look at. So as we can see, in 2016, they had over $18 million in net revenue. 2017, they had about $28 million in net revenue. 2018, they have $43 million in revenue. And last year, they had over $55 million in revenue. So you can see that their revenue is growing exponentially, meaning that they're growing at a higher percentage pace every single year. In addition to that, they're growing their profits, as you can see by the adjusted EBITDA. So because of this disease and virus, it's pretty clear that online gambling and wagering is going to grow over the coming years. People are either going to be too worried to go out in public and gamble at physical casinos, or physical casinos won't be able to open at full capacity. Either way, it's even more simple to gamble on your cell phone or your computer at home. You don't have to drive somewhere and go somewhere. You don't have to waste gas. It's so more convenient for the end customer and the consumer. It's also very, very easy to sit on your phone, start gambling, and not stop, because it's just like playing a video game on your cell phone that you're really addicted to. If you're addicted to it, you're playing that hours on end, sometimes a day. So not only online gambling is going to see extreme growth over the coming years, but even sports betting is going to succeed. Now, sports betting, like I mentioned, is only a small portion of Golden Nugget's business plan right now. However, they're going to grow that number and focus more and more on sports betting as the years go on. But their main focus will always be on iGaming or iGambling or online gambling and wagering. I think this is extremely bullish, and this is a great thing if their main focus stays that. I believe them leaving that as their main focus is extremely bullish because, as you can see from this slide on their investor presentation, online sports betting leaves out almost 50% of the market. Only 5% of people who sports gamble online are females versus 95% male. However, with iGaming and iGambling, online gambling, 45% are female and 55% are male. So sports betting leaves out almost half of the population, where iGambling, online gambling, includes everybody. Another reason I really like this stock is because of the extremely low float. They have 1.45 million shares actively traded today on the exchange. That is extremely low. If a single hedge fund came in and saw what Golden Nugget was doing and wanted to buy shares, they could buy up the entire float and send the stock price soaring. Lots of you know that's why I really liked CleanSpark. On top of CleanSpark's profitability and revenue and projections, they had a low float. And that low float has paid to be the advantage to the shareholder. And LCA's float is drastically lower than CleanSpark's even is. So you may be wondering now what I plan to do. Will I buy shares? Will I buy calls? What will I do? The easy answer is I will do one or the other or both, depending on where the share price is at tomorrow. I'm really looking at buying 500 to 1,000 shares, and if I can't do that at a reasonable price, I'm going to be buying call options so that I can buy those 1,000 to 2,000 shares later on at a cheaper price than the current market value, hopefully at that time. So my suggestion for you is to buy into LCA tomorrow if you can. Now, like I said, this more than likely won't explode overnight or tomorrow or the next day. It's going to be a few weeks before Golden Nugget sees share price appreciation, in my opinion. So this is more of a medium-term wait, in my opinion, but I want to get in on this company today because there is a chance that this share price is going to explode at any point. So with that, guys, that's all I had for you today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe if you like this content, leave a like down below if you like this video, and with that, have a great rest of your Wednesday, have a great day tomorrow, and I'll be back on Friday with a brand new video. Peace out.